Hello everyone, this is Arohi of Standard 9A. So today I'm going to show you how can you create a document in MS Word using your mobile phone. First of all, download Word app in your mobile phone. So here I have already downloaded this app, so I'll click on open button. This is the first page of this app. So I'm going to click on this plus sign given at the top of the screen, and here are the different styles in which you can create your document, like classic double space, welcome to Word, take note, write a journal, and etc. So I'm going to click on blank document for creating my document. So this is the document area where we can write, insert or edit the things which we want in our document. So I'm going to write my name and other details here. So here I have written my information. You can see a red wavy line under my name. This indicates that this word is misspelled, but it's correct. So I'll double click on my name, and here is the option ignore all. So I'm going to click on this option, and you can see that red wavy line is now not here. Now we know that MS Word provides us different tools, tabs and groups for editing our text. So here I am going to click on this arrow, and we are in home group right now. I am going to select the text which I want to edit. I can change the size of the text, and I can also change the style of the text. It provides different style, and I'm going to click on this one because this is my favorite one. I can make the text bold, italic and underline. I can use the colors to change the color of the text, and if I want I can also highlight the text. So these are the features which is provided in the home tab. Here are a few more options like bulleting and numbers, and then paragraph formatting. I'll tell you the use of this later. And here is one more option, that is clear formatting. So if you want to clear the formatting of some text, you can just select the text and then click on this clear formatting button. The formatting will be clear. There are few more formatting options, that is subscript and superscript. These both options are helped in writing the text and number little bit upside or little bit downside. Here I am going to write some more text to show you the effect of bullets, numbering and paragraph formatting. I have written the text, and now I am going to edit them by using different groups in home tab. So first of all I am going to select the text which I want to edit. Yes. And now after that I'm going to change its size, its style and color. I'm going to change its color also. and if you want you can highlight it also, but I don't want to highlight it, that's why I'll not select the highlight option. Like that only I'm going to edit all these texts. So we will just double click on this COVID and select the option ignore all. Then the red wavy line is show the effect of paragraph formatting. I am going to select this COVID-19 and just going to click on this option given in paragraph formatting. You can see the effect of this paragraph formatting. Now I'm going to show you the effect of bullets and numbering option. For this I'm going to select the text in which I want some bullets. I selected the text and now I need to choose one of the option among these bullets. You can see the bullets are applied. Similarly I'm going to do in this one also. And in this one also. Like bullets, we can use numbering also. Just we need to select the text, go to the home tab and click on the numbering option. Yes. You can see one is written before the selected text. Move to the another tab, that is insert tab. In insert tab we get the option to insert different things like page, table, pictures, shape, text box and so on. So if you want to insert a blank page in your document, just click on this button of blank page. You get a blank page. Now if you want to insert a table in your document, then just click on this table button. The table is inserted in your document. You can write anything in this. If you want to insert more row or column in your table, then there is an option for insert. You can choose any option and insert row and column in your table. Like I am choosing insert above. Then there is another row in this table. If you want to delete any row or column, you just have to select that row or column and there is an option for delete. You can click on this delete option and there is option delete column or row. You can select and that specific column or row will be deleted from your table. Option of inserting picture in this insert tab. For this you just need to click on this option of pictures and then photos. Then select the picture which you want to insert and click on done. The picture will be inserted. Then there is one more option in insert tab, that is insert shapes. You just have to click on the shapes option and insert any shape of your choice. Like I'm inserting this shape. You can color the shape of your choice. Then there are few more options like inserting text box, comments, header and footer, equation and so on. You can use this if you want. Now let's move to another tab, that is layout tab. In layout we are having margins, orientation, size, columns and breaks. You can apply margin to your document if you want. Then there is draw tab, in which you can draw anything by using mouse or by touching on the screen. Then there is review tab. In review tab the first option is spelling option. This option helps in checking that the spellings we have written in this document is correct or not. After clicking on the spelling check, you can see there is coming that spelling check is completed. You are good to go. It means that the spellings of this document are correct. Then there is proofing and language option, in which you can select the language. Then there are few more options like word count, accept, reject, track change. Then the view tab. In view tab, you can see your document in mainly in two ways, that is mobile view and print layout view. In mobile view, our document look like this, and in print view, our document look like this. There is a few more options like zoom in and zoom out. And this was how to create document in MS Word using different tabs and groups, and by editing our text, inserting tables, pictures, shapes, and so on. Making your document, if you want to save it, you have to just click on the three dot given at the top of the screen and then click on save as option. Then you have to click on this device, then documents, and then you have to write your document name. I'm saving it with my name. You can see that my document has been saved by my name. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button.